In this video of TechTube, I'm going to show you how you can open your Chase Bank account. If you want to be a customer of Chase Bank and want to create an account online, then you've come to the right video because I'm going to show you the steps that you need to do in order to successfully create your Chase Bank online. So with that said, let's get right into the video. First of all, open up your web browser and head over to the website of Chase, which is chase.com. Now once you're here on the website of Chase, you can see this interface, and on the top you can see all of the accounts that Chase provides. Now either you want to create a personal, business or a commercial account, you can click on these options and choose accordingly. For this video we're going to choose the personal account and click on the checkings and savings. From here pick the account that you want to create, either you want to create a checkings account or savings account. Just click on open now. Now before you start filling up this form, there are a few things that you need to gather, such as your social security number and your driver's license or your state ID. These documents are important to verify yourself. In the next step, you'll need to set up your account preferences, and then you'll successfully create your Chase Bank account online. Now if you scroll down, you can see this option which says, are you a Chase customer? If you already are a Chase customer in any services, you can click on yes. If no, click on no, and then click on next. Now these are the details that you need to fill in. So first of all, type in your name, your first name and your last name. Choose if you are a citizen of US or not. If you click on no, you need to choose your citizenship and then type in your date of birth. Now this is a section where you can now type in your social security number. So make sure that your number is correct. Choose your type of ID that you want to verify yourself. Either you can choose the driver's license or your state ID. Choose the type and then type in the ID number. Also select the issuing state or territory of your ID. Lastly, you'll need to fill in your address. Enter in your street address, zip code, city, and the state that you're in. Next, enter in your email address and mobile number so that they can easily contact you and send you OTPs and other stuff. If you can scroll down further, you can check these boxes, and if you want, you can also take a look at these details and then click on next. And similarly, in the next step also, you'll need to fill in some other details about yourself, and your account of Chase Bank will be successfully created. So that was the process on how to open Chase Bank account. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'm going to be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Until then, keep watching.